Hello everyone, welcome back to Skill Forge. Just imagine waking up and your AI has already replied to your important emails, created your social media posts, analyzed your sales data, and even booked your meetings. Sounds like science fiction, right? No, it's not. In 2026, AI automation is one of the highest leverage skills you can learn. Today I am going to show you how exactly what AI automation is, why it's exploding right now, and real working examples you can learn and start using this week. If you want to save 10 plus hours a week, just drop a like and let's dive in.
First, let's clear the confusion. Old automation like basic APIs follow strict rules. If X happens, it will show you Y. AI automation adds brain power. It can understand the context, write emails like humans, make decisions, handle exceptions, and even improve over time. Think of it as giving your computer a smart assistant that never sleeps.
Here's what's happening right now. Knowledgeable workers waste more than 40% of their time on repetitive tasks. Companies that are using AI automation are seeing 3 to 10x productivity gains. You can automate parts of your job and either get massive raises or build your own AI powered side business. I personally went spending 4 hours a day on admin work to under 30 minutes.
Just imagine waking up to 5700 emails, multiple meetings, and a calendar that looks like a battlefield. What if AI could read everything, prioritize your day, draft replies, and organize your schedule before your first coffee? If you see my screen, I've shared some of the mails to myself for an example. So I need summarize for my emails. So I'm asking Copilot. You can use other AI tools also. So I'm asking Copilot. So here is the prompt. Summarize mails from my Gmail and tell me what needs action, what can be ignored, and any mm, urgent items. Okay, so let's give note also. Note, please consider recent 4 mails from primary. Okay, let's see how it goes. So if you can see here, uh, proposal request needs action. It is giving team meeting reschedules. It has added to my calendar also. And here if you see monthly newsletter can be ignored, invoice payment confirmation also can be ignored, urgent proposal request. So it will show whatever is required. It will basically summarize your emails. It is very helpful. Here it is another simple example of how AI can save the time on your email replies. Let's say, for example, if I receive the email from client asking for a project update, normally I will spend a few minutes thinking about the wording and typing a professional response. Instead of that, I open ChatGPT or Copilot and give it some basic information like let's update the prompt here. Like write a professional email reply that project is currently 80% complete. testing in progress, and expected completion is on Friday. That's it. No complicated prompts. Just a key information. If you see, in just a few seconds, AI creates a professional email that I can send immediately or make small edits to it, which was usually taking me several minutes, now takes less than 10 seconds. Imagine doing this for 20 emails every day. That's huge amount of time saved, right? Now let's see how AI can help manage our calendar and meetings automatically. For your meetings, you get an email asking when are you available next week, and then you have to open your calendar, check every day, and figure out a suitable time. See my calendar here. I have scheduled some meetings for myself, just to show you guys example. So let's see how AI can do that for us. 1 second. I'm just taking a snip of the calendar. And will paste in the tool. And I will write the prompt like, based on this calendar, find out 3 available 30 minutes slots for meeting, and recommend me available slot. Now if you see, within a seconds, AI analyzes the schedule and suggests available meeting time. No scrolling through the calendar, no back and forth checking, just instant recommendations. So I will write a prompt like draft an email offering this meeting. Now, not only does AI find meeting slots, it also drafts the email for you. That's 2 tasks completed in less than a minute. But what happens when your calendar gets messy and meeting starts overlapping? Let's see how AI handles scheduling conflicts automatically. For example, I have scheduled another meeting at the same time. So basically, we all have faced the same kind of problem. 2 important meetings scheduled at exactly same time. Normally, you discover this at the last minute and scramble to reschedule. Let's see what AI can do. Taking the snip of the calendar and pasting it in our AI tool. I'm copying it, pasting it. Let's write a prompt now, like identify conflicts and suggest the best solution. So if you see, it has identified the conflict of the meeting, and it has given you the suggestion also. So AI instantly spots the conflict and suggests the best alternative time based on the rest of the schedule. To write the reschedule email for the team. Let's see. I have updated the prompt and it has written, if you notice. So here not only identify the issue but also prepares for communication for everyone involved. So far, AI has helped us manage emails and schedules, but what about meetings themselves? What if AI could attend the meeting with you, take notes, track action items, and generate a summary automatically? Let's see that next. Meetings are important, but taking notes while trying to pay attention is difficult. Most people either miss important details or spend extra time writing meeting summarizes afterwards. This is where AI becomes your personal meeting assistant. So here I'm using Firefly's AI for just for a demo. So the meeting is happening. AI listens and automatically create notes. Let's see how it works here. So here I'm using Firefiles AI. It is recording it. So randomly, let's say we are talking about website launch. Launch date is set on Friday. And Pranav is going to create content by Wednesday, and the team is working on the complete website design. And next meeting will be on this Thursday. Status will be on track. Now, if you see, instead of manually writing notes, AI captures everything automatically. I will show you here. Wait a second. If you see my screen now, so here AI only has given full meeting summarization. We have recorded it while we were in the call. Oh, give me a second now. If you see here, it has given full summarization of the call which we did. We can ask here AI only to for the follow-up email. So I'm asking it. It is generating the output. Wait a second. AI basically does not stop at notes. It can also create some follow-up emails, assign tasks, and keep everyone aligned. So if you see my screen, AI has written follow-up email. Also, now, so far we have automated emails, scheduling, conflict dedication, and meeting notes. Now let's combine everything into one powerful workflow where AI reads an email, understands it, creates a calendar event, and sends confirmation automatically. This is where AI automation starts, feels like a magic. I've seen so far still requires some interaction. But what if AI could handle the entire process automatically? Watch this. Here I have shared one of the email to myself. Okay, 1 second. Meeting request. Here I have shared it to myself. Can we meet tomorrow at 3 p.m. to discuss the marketing campaign for the team? I have shared. For demo, I have shared it to myself, and in A10, if any new email arrives, I have created this automation flow. So if we receive any new email like this, so it will extract date and time, and it will create the calendar event, and it will send confirmation email. Whenever I will update your execute workflow, it will do it by itself. So I have updated here several times. So it is calendar is updating several times now. So if you notice that nobody manually entered the date or time, the AI understands the email just like a human would. It automatically creates everything. Event also added to my calendar automatically. and confirmation email also will be sent by AI itself. Um, so one email, four actions, zero manual work. Basically, it is. Now, if you see this example, AI is not just a chatbot. It's becoming a digital employee that works 24 hours a day. The people who learn AI automation today will have massive advantage tomorrow. So start small, automate your emails, automate your calendar, and let AI handle the busy work while you focus on what actually grows your career or business.
Here are my top recommendations AI tools for beginner friendly Zapier, Make.com, ChatGPT, and for intermediate level N8N Cloud projects, and for advanced level QAA, AutoGen AIs, Cursor.sh, it is for building agents, and LangChain or LangGraph. Here's your step-by-step startup plan. Pick one repetitive task that annoys you. Break it into small pieces. Start with ChatGPT where no codings are required. Once you are comfortable, you can move to agents. So start small. Your first automation may only save around 30 minutes a week, but it builds the muscle. So which automation are you going to build first? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. Hit like if this video saved your time. Subscribe for more practical content. I will see you in the next one. Now go and build something awesome. Thank you.